Yo guys, what's poppin'? It's your boy Rapid Hood, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to prevent lag in games. This step here has actually really helped me in games that my PC just cannot handle. So the first step you want to do is go to your video. You know, you probably hear this in a lot of other videos, but turn down the quality of your game. This will actually help you, and also make sure like other things that we'll be using a lot more is turned off. And then if your game has a max FPS bar, turn it down to like 60 or something. I can't, maybe. Yeah, turn the max FPS bar to 60. And you know, other things that may use a lot more, turn it down to just performance, whatever it's called. And then turn on VSync. That will limit your frames to 59 to 61. It actually really helps. Now the next step is to open your task manager. One of my viewers taught me how to open it in a faster way, which would be Control Shift Escape. Then it will take you right to the task manager. Next step, this is probably what you'll be seeing, so click more details. Whatever game you're running, just click this little arrow right here. Right click on Rocket League or your game, go to details, and then you're gonna find your games here. Now there might be more than just one. Turn both of them to high priority. This will make sure that your computer is focused on the game more than anything else here. So set them both to high priority and then go back to your game. It should be running a lot smoother, but if you did not have VSync on, then it could give you more frames, but this video is focused on giving you a better gaming experience than just more frames. So if you have lag issues or other things like that, and you know it's not your internet, then try this step. This should work. Help you guys. Comment down below if it does or doesn't. And make sure to subscribe and like so you don't miss out on another video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.